Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up our accessibility function as a button press of our side button and volume up button. So these buttons right here, up and side button. So where to find this option to set up this shortcut? We need to go to settings, then in accessibility menu we have our advanced settings, and as you can see here we have our side and volume keys. By default we have no other applications or functions assigned to this combination, but we can change it. For example, we can add color filter to this shortcut. We can add multiple if we need to. And now, as you can see, we have our side and volume up keys, color filter and color inversion simultaneously. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.